Welcome again. My name is Madali, aka the Sober Healer, and today I'm going to teach you the 4-7-8 breath. And what this breath is going to help us do is tune into the breath and slow it down a bit and really navigate mindfulness through this tool. And so I'm going to explain it a little bit and then you can practice it with me. And so essentially we're going to breathe in for 4 seconds and I'll count with you. And then we're going to hold the breath for 7 seconds. And if that feels a little bit intimidating at first, just try it on and see how long you can go. And if you can do all 7, perfect. And if not, that's okay. And after the 7 seconds of holding, we're going to exhale for 8 seconds. So breathing in, inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 7, and exhaling for 8. And when we exhale, it's going to be an intentional, slow exhale through the mouth. Or we don't want to breathe fast, exhale. It's going to be a slow, almost like you're fogging a mirror, kind of slow for all 8 seconds until we're totally empty, no more air in us. And then we will breathe in again for 4 through the nose and so on and so forth. So I'll keep instructing you as we go. So I will guide you and then I will practice with you. So getting ready to practice the 4-7-8 breath. And let's get started. Inhaling for 1, 2, 3, 4, holding 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, exhaling for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and inhaling 2, 3, 4, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, exhaling slow 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Inhale through the nose. 2, 3, 4, and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale nice and slow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now just start breathing regularly, not needing to change the breath. Just breathe as you naturally would and just noticing what comes up in your body after this kind of exercise. How's your heart beating? Is it faster? Is it slower? Do you feel any more calm or peaceful? What's coming up for you? And note that. And know that you can always use this breath wherever, whenever, however. And I actually encourage you to use it when you are having a hardship, like maybe a trigger comes up. Take a moment aside. Mindfulness is creating space and time between a reaction, a trigger, and a response. So basically, instead of reacting, creating a pause so that we can respond instead. And so use this breath during those times, and also use this breath during joyful, happy, sparkly, grateful times. And what this does for our brain is that when we do it through happy times and joyful moments throughout the day, it trains our brain to know that when I do this specific breath, I'm okay. And so that when you do use it during a hardship, it's even that much stronger of a mindfulness muscle. I hope that makes sense. And so let's do it more time together, and I'm going to do it with you. So I'm not going to be counting. I'm going to encourage you to count for yourself. And we'll do it for 3 breaths, okay? Getting comfortable, maybe eyes closed or a soft gaze to the floor. And let's get started. Coming back to normal breath. Ooh. Yeah. I can feel something happening within my body. My sensations in my body helps me feel more calm and relaxed. And you might have heard some tapping on the side. And so what I was doing was essentially tapping for each count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I started again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then for the exhale, started again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so the tapping actually helps me stay on track, so I don't have to count in my head. I can just use my fingers to tap. All right, thank you so much for joining in today's video. I hope this breath practice helps you. It's one of many breathing tools. And yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Again, my name is Madali, aka the Sober Healer, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Mwah.